Good morning, Meridian. Welcome to Business Buzz, where we bring you our chamber members and share with you information about them and their business on our social media platforms. This morning, I'm joined by Sandra Poe with American Family Insurance. Sandy, good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Hey, Sandy, appreciate you joining us this morning. You've recently joined the chamber. You joined in April of this year, just as we're starting to open back up and get things going. We're very happy to have you as a member and would love to learn a little bit more about you and your business and what you do here for the community. The American Family Insurance, it's not just any other insurance company. Can you tell us a little bit about what separates American Family from all other insurance companies?
Yes. I think a big deciding factor is the agent that you get as well. Not only is American Family a great company, we're great with claims, we're great with our products. We've got some really new endorsements and fun things that you can add on to your policies that really help take care of the customer. But we also have great agents. So the agents that take the time to talk to you, to review your coverages, especially now with our market and pricing for labor and materials going up so much. It's nice to have an agent that is there to talk through things with you, to explain things, and to be somebody easy to get a hold of and to talk to and understand what insurance does for you and what you have.
So, Sandy, you've been an agent here with AmFam in the Valley for about 9 years. Is that correct?
Correct. Yep. I took over when I was 6 months pregnant for an agency and haven't looked back since. My little one's going to turn 9 in October. So.
Well, excellent. Can you share us a little bit about the product lines that American Family Insurance has and maybe some that you may specialize in?
Yes. So in the insurance world, the bread and butter is the PNC. So home and auto. If you have a home and you have a loan on it, you have to have insurance. So that makes it kind of easy to make sure you have that one. And then auto insurance. If you're going to drive your vehicle, you have to have insurance on it per the state laws. And so those are typically what people think of most often when they think of insurance. But we also do the life insurance as well and commercial. I'm really involved in HOA communities, so different subdivisions around the Treasure Valley. I have a lot of those insured and really love working with the board members, the property management companies, and making sure we've got adequate coverage for all those special needs as well.
So, Sandy, with the rising home costs and valuations in home, are you having a lot of conversations with homeowners about increasing their insurance coverage and things in case if something happens, being able to actually replace their home?
Yes, that is a question that we're getting daily at this point. And it is interesting. Different companies will insure houses different. So some companies just go straight off market value. We actually have a replacement cost calculator that gets updated every year with American Family. So it takes into current market value for the state of Idaho, pricing for materials, for labor, all of that. So I feel like we're really blessed that we get that updated regularly from American Family. And so we can make sure that we're providing the accurate amount of coverage, the correct coverage, and the correct value. So with homes, we just insure the dwelling. And so the lot is still standing, say if your house was to burn down. So that can kind of cause some confusion sometimes if somebody's buying a house for a certain price. That house price also includes the land. And we do have a buffer in our insurance. So if there is anything like a spiking rate in market or different things like that, we do have a 20% buffer for all of our dwellings to make sure they are adequately covered.
Okay. Hey, Sandy, one of the things, and learning a little bit more about American Family Insurance myself, I was looking at your website and saw that you and your company are very involved in the community and supportive of a lot of different organizations and activities. Volunteerism is important to you. Just share with us a little bit about the things that you're involved in the community.
Yeah. So over the years, as agents, we've come together and done different things like golf tournaments where we've raised money for Camp Rainbow Gold. We really like to be involved and kind of take on a different charity every year. And so we've done Women's Children's Alliance. I've personally supported several different charities as well through just volunteer time or through donations as well. It's just really nice to give back to others. And I think it's one of those, it fills your heart. And anything we do in life, I think that we need to have our hearts be filled as well. And so being able to give back to others, whether it's on a large scale that we can, like I said, partner as a big district and give lots of money, or even personally spending time or those donations throughout the years, I think, just make you sleep better at night.
Well, Sandy, that's great, and we really do appreciate companies like yours that support the community and help overcome some of the challenges. I know one of the challenges that many of our businesses and people are facing today is, labor shortage issues and things. How is the insurance industry being impacted by that, or what are you seeing? How are you able to help businesses with those type of needs?
That's a great question. That is definitely something that's a hot topic right now, in not only our industry but just kind of, I think, nationwide. With us, as far as my office, I haven't been impacted greatly there. I have an awesome gal that works with me, so we are quite a dynamic duo. But as far as things like somebody gets in a car accident and now it's harder to get a rental car, or getting items in to repair their vehicles, or that's just taking longer. The whole process is taking longer. The labor is not there in these repair shops, and so what would maybe take a week to get repaired is now taking 3 weeks, which then counteracts the rental car, because now somebody that would have a rental car for a week is now taking that rental car out for 3 weeks. And so it's all really interesting how it kind of trickles down. And then things like houses. I mean, trying to get a house rebuilt. We have somebody right now that has a garage fire, and it's a matter of, we've got everything ready to go. It's just getting the materials in and getting the labor in to get things repaired. I think with American Family, we do a really great job at working with our partner companies. And so making sure that our customers are high on that list as far as getting priority when getting repairs done, getting services met. But it is definitely become an interesting twist this year that I don't think we initially anticipated.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Sandy, you're new to the chamber, and welcoming you on Business Buzz is one aspect of things. But now that things are opening back up, you're going to be having us come out and do a ribbon cutting event for you. That's next week, August 4th at 3 p.m. Do you want to share anything about inviting people out to your ribbon cutting event?
Yes, we would love to have everyone come and check us out. We're going to have some tasty treats and some fantastic drinks. So please come out, say hi, stop in. We would love to meet everybody in the chamber. It's been just such a pleasure to get to know the folks that we have so far, and everybody's been so kind and welcoming. But we would love to meet you all. So please come and join us for our ribbon cutting next week.
That's great. Sandy, thank you. And your team, your fabulous team member that you mentioned. I want to just give a shout out to Jordan. We love Jordan and the work she's doing with us here at the chamber and being involved in our activities. So thank you for joining us today. And we'll look forward to seeing you next Wednesday at your ribbon cutting event.
Sounds wonderful. Thank you so much. I hope you all have a great day.
Thank you, Sandy. Appreciate it. And thank you for joining us today. Be sure to tune in Thursday morning as we bring you Barrister Financial Services and a conversation with another new chamber member. Thank you very much and have a great day.